Okay, EFT. I know it's in French. Basically, with some point, you need to condition your mind and your subconscious about something. I'll give you an example, but it could be applied to anything. Let's say that you have self-worth and you want to have more self-worth, more self-esteem. I'm sorry. So you're gonna go and tap on your head and say, even if I have I don't have a lot of self-worth. I love myself and I accept myself indefinitely. Infinitely, I'm sorry. So even if I don't have lots of self-worth, I love myself and I accept myself infinitely. The same here. Even if I don't have lots of self-worth, I love myself and I accept myself infinitely. Even if I don't have lots of self-worth, I love myself and I accept myself infinitely. Even if I don't have lots of self-worth, I accept myself and I love myself infinitely. Even if I don't have lots of self-worth, I accept myself and I love myself infinitely. So then all the negative part, I don't have lots of self-worth and I accept myself and I love myself infinitely. Here you could do it like 5 times. And then you program the positive side. But before doing that, you close your eyes, breathe in and breathe out into the universe, the negative part. And every time you're going to do this, and repeating the same phrase, you need to look at your number, and you go that into the room I showed you with all the gauge, and you look at the number of self-worth, and if it's at the level 6, it needs to be at level 10. You're going to do that and breathe in, breathe out the negative part until you see the number and the ball turning at the pace you want, the direction you want, and the color you want. So the gauge needs to be 10. And then you're going to program here, I've got lots of self-worth. I have all the self-worth in the world. Every time you go in and you don't feel that you have lots of self-worth, you could say, skip all those because it takes too long, and say, even if I don't have lots of self-worth, I love myself and I accept myself infinitely. I've got lots of self-worth, all the self-worth in the world. I have it inside me and I feel it. And breathe in, breathe out. So you could apply this to self-confidence. You could apply this to energy level, anything you want. Okay? Takes 2 minutes, and when you close your eyes, think of the gauge. You could think about your peach tree. I believe it's your horse. You could think about your horse, and you program here positive. This is negative. So you program the negative, and you say that you love yourself infinitely and accept yourself infinitely, and then you got everything you need in the world. Bing, bang, boom. Hope it helps. Take care.